Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Camden County in southeastern South Carolina, Colleton County in southeastern South Carolina, Allendale County in southeastern South Carolina, until 5 time. At 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Barton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Allendale, Colleton, Fairfax, Brunson, Sycamore, Lodge, Omer, Siegeling, Paget's, Barton, Ashton, and Appleton.